Okay, so I'm gonna make, as promised, because I know it's your favorite. I'm gonna make a grasshopper today, which is very much a disco cocktail. I absolutely love it. But quite simply, it's just a combination of single cream, crème de menthe, and crème de cacao. Super simple. Like it's just tasty. And so I'm gonna, really go with the home bartender sort of vibe here. I'm sat at my kitchen table, or I'm sat at a table in my living room, my one bed flat in North London. So I have pretty much everything set and sorted. But certainly for me, one of my lockdown purchases was a brand new fridge freezer, and the reason for that was because I wanted to be able to get like frozen glasses in there, so I could really try and like recreate the bar experience as much as possible. So I'm going to be starting with a coupette, and I have had this in the freezer, so it's going to be super chilled. And then it's really, really simple in terms of the specs for this drink. It's just equal measures, so 30 mils of each ingredient. So I've got some single cream right here. So just doing 30 mils of each. Then I'm going to go with our crème de cacao white, so our white chocolate liqueur. Yeah, 30 mils, super simple. And then this is where the fun comes in. Then we've also got our crème de menthe. So our, I guess peppermint is the closest sort of flavor profile, but it's a combination of mint, which is, like a radioactive green, and I love it. Okay, so that's it. That's all the ingredients that you need. 3 simple ingredients. Everyone has access for the most part to cream from your local supermarket, and then 2 liqueurs flavors that give you, this delicious cocktail. And it's not just this one cocktail that you can make with it. There's combinations, as I said before, hundreds of combinations you can make with just a few simple ingredients and a few simple liqueurs flavors. And I'm just going to chuck some ice into the shaker. And then we're going to give it a little shake. So this is going to be loud. There we go. And see, this is the great thing of bartending at home. You can do it all sat, from the comfort of your sofa, from your settee. Fortunately, I am actually wearing pants today as well. I'm wearing trousers, but you can do it in your underwear if you want as well. So I know a lot of people have been on their Zoom calls in their underwear. The top half is business and the bottom half not so much. I am wearing pants just to be transparent. And then what you want to do is fine strain. So you've got your Hawthorne strainer and your fine strainer. Just fine strain into your cube. So I like to leave just a little bit of space on top because I like to garnish it with a fresh mint sprig. Just really kind of bring out that delicious. Really bring out that fresh mint flavor. We've just got a little bit of a mint sprig here. Give it a slap to really express those oils, and then all you need to do is just pop that on the top, and you have your grasshopper. Super simple, super easy. It can probably take you like 10 to 15 seconds to make that if you don't have to talk your way through it. But it's a delicious cocktail, and it's one of my favorites, especially at home. It's kind of like mouthwash, but it's delicious. So, cheers.